I'm Anita Monroy from Mis Centavos, tu contadora, your accountant, your guide to creating, managing, growing your small business and bottom line. Welcome to Mis Centavos. This is episode 3, and I will be picking up where we left off last episode. I will guide you through the process of applying for an EIN, or an employer identification number, step by step. An EIN is a unique 9-digit number assigned by the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, to identify your business for tax purposes. The first step is to determine your eligibility. Before you begin the application process, it is important to determine if you're eligible for an EIN. An EIN is required if you're starting a business, hiring employees, opening a bank account for your business, or if your business is a partnership, LLC, or corporation. If you're not sure if you need an EIN, be sure to check the IRS website or consult with a tax professional. The second step is to gather your information. This includes your business name, address, the legal structure of your business, the name and social security of the business owner, and the reason why you are applying for an EIN. The third step is to apply online. The quickest and easiest way to apply for an EIN is to do it online through the IRS website. Go to irs.gov and search for an EIN application. Click on the link for the online application, which is called the EIN Assistant. Follow the prompts and answer all of the questions. Be sure to double-check your information for accuracy before submitting your application. If you prefer to apply by fax or mail, you can download the appropriate form from the IRS website. The form for a business entity is called Form SS-4. Fill out the form and send it to the appropriate fax or mailing address, which can also be found on the IRS website. The fourth and final step is to receive your EIN. Once your application is processed, you will receive your EIN from the IRS. This usually takes a few minutes if you apply online and up to 4 weeks if you apply by fax or mail. The IRS will mail you a confirmation letter CP-575. Make sure to keep your EIN letter in a safe place as you will need it for tax purposes. Congratulations! You have now successfully applied for an EIN. Remember that an EIN is a critical part of running a business, and it is important to keep your information up to date with the IRS. If you have any questions or concerns, consult with a tax professional or visit the IRS website for more information. To continue this conversation, be sure to follow me on Instagram, or better yet, come join us in my free Facebook group, a community of small business owners like yourself supporting each other on this financial literacy journey. The links are listed in the show notes. Hasta pronto!